What's going on, y'all? This is Bryan coming back with a new way to get free investment capital. If you trade Forex, futures, or stock options, or if your broker allows you to make crypto deposits, you can definitely use this app to receive free commissions for referring people and use that money to invest into your trading accounts. If you see here, February, each time it says referral, that's when somebody used my link to sign up, and all they had to do was verify their ID, and we both received the same bonus. So 10, 20, this week 30, 40, and today another 10. So that's $50 so far this month in free investment capital. If you go to freeinvestmentcapital.com, you'll see this is one of the ways you can use to get free investment capital. There's also another way that pays anywhere between $500 and $1,000 every week in free investment capital. Just read the information and follow the instructions. All right, hope you all enjoy. Talk to you soon.